Hello backers, and basically a warm welcome back to my channel. It's been quite a long time, but in today's video I'll be making Carolina Reaper curry, well, Carolina Reaper chicken curry. Okay, but before I get to this, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and take a look at my other social media links in the description. Okay, without further ado, let's get to it. Right, so I've chopped 2 onions. I've measured out 1 tablespoon of sugar and salt, and lemon juice and tomato puree, and I've crushed 3 garlic cloves, and I've diced up some 4 chicken breasts. Okay, I'm boiling up some oil. I put in some chili olive oil because I'm making a curry. Okay, so I almost forgot. This is from Spice Tice. My brother got it me for Christmas, so okay, so I'm just going to pour this in and start stirring the onions, okay, until they go brown and golden. Okay, so I'm adding the garlic, and I'm going to leave that, I'm going to cook that for a few seconds now. Right, I'm going to add the Spice Tice. Okay, so with the lemon juice, sugar, and salt as well. Stir it in, mix it in a little bit. And also add the puree, even though I added that by mistake. It wasn't on the pack. Said I need it on the pack. Okay, I'll leave a link in the description if you want to buy the Spice Tice later on. I forgot to say you need tin tomatoes as well, so gonna add them in as well. Okay, so I'm adding and stirring in the chicken. Okay, so stirring that in. Right, I'm lowering the heat and leaving it to cook for around about 5 minutes now. Right, okay, so now I'm going to pour in 200 millimeters of water, and I'm going to leave it, recover it, and leave it to simmer for 15 minutes. Right, so okay, once the 15 minutes is up, or the chicken is nice and tender, just garnish it a little bit with coriander, and bon appetit. Right, okay, so there you have it, Carolina Reaper chicken curry. Okay, so that comes to the end of the video. Hope you all enjoyed it, and again, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and share on your social medias. And okay, so as always, Do remember whether or not you're autistic, and if you're trying to learn to cook, do remember I have your back.